Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Binance USDT. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account. This involves providing necessary identification documents to complete the Know Your Customer, or KIC, process. Verification ensures a secure trading environment and unlocks higher transaction limits. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. This crucial step helps safeguard your digital assets from unauthorized access. Once your account is ready, you have several ways to fund your purchase of USDT. One popular method is peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading, allowing you to buy directly from other users. You can also use traditional methods like bank transfers or credit and debit card payments. Always review the available payment options specific to your location, as these can vary. Choose the method that offers the best rates and convenience for your transaction. Now, let's make the purchase. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you'll select USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire and choose your desired fiat currency for the transaction. Input the specific amount of USDT you want to buy or the fiat amount you wish to spend. Carefully review all the details before confirming your purchase. The platform will guide you through the final steps to complete the trade. To ensure a smooth and secure experience, always practice due diligence. When using P2P, check the seller's ratings and completion rate before proceeding. Be vigilant against phishing attempts and only use the official Binance website or app. After your purchase, consider transferring your USDT to a secure, personal wallet for long-term storage, especially for larger amounts. Staying informed and cautious is key to protecting your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.